Hello, thank you for purchasing your own Heliosa 66 outdoor heater. In this short video tutorial, we will be going over the quick and easy setup for this unit. All of the materials and tools needed for the assembly are included in your unit's packaging. There are 3 wrenches that are included with the unit for assembly. However, if you have access to a longer 17mm and 13mm wrench as well as an impact drill, we recommend that you use those instead as they will ease the assembly process. Place a washer on the bolt and insert at the base of the main pole plate through the long crossbeam. Sandwich the crossbeam using the square base plate and tighten using a nut. Rotate the beam 90 degrees and repeat this same step on the opposite side, diagonal from the nut that had just been tightened. Take one of the half cross beams and line up the screw holes. Using a washer, bolt, and nut, repeat the same previous step to secure the half beam to the base plate. Taking one wheel, insert the attached bolt through the hole. Use a wrench to tighten the nut and secure the wheel to the base of the beam. Repeat this step for the other 3 wheels. Insert the long telescoping neck piece into the main beam and install the 2 dual point securing screws in one of the 2 holes on both sides of the beam. Place the L bracket over the 2 holes at the top of the telescoping beam piece. Attach a star washer to one of the bolts and tighten using a wrench. Take the mounting plate and slide it under so that the main plate piece is secured and the bolt holes aligned. Take the long bolt and insert through the mounting plate and secure using a nut. Take the main beam and align the holes on the mounting plate to the holes on the L bracket. Take the bolt and nut and secure using the wrenches. Secure the power cord using the Velcro provided. Enjoy your Heliosa 66 heater.